Welcome to the latest edition of Career Videos by the Knowledge Academy. Our today's video is about the top 10 technologies to learn in 2023. This video will introduce you to all of the popular and trending technologies that will help you advance your career and earn a higher salary. So let's get started with our top 10 technologies to learn in 2023 list. But before moving on to this session, if you like what you were about to see, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and enabling that bell icon next to it so that you would never miss out on any of the informative content that we put out. So without further ado, let's take a look at the agenda for this video. Initially, we will go through AI and machine learning. After that, we will see the cybersecurity. And then we'll move on to the next one, that is business analytics. And then we'll have a look onto the DevOps. And then we'll go through the automated project management. After that, we will see cloud computing, and then comes to IT service management. Then move on to UI UX designs. After that, we will see the data science. And then finally, we'll discuss our last technology, which will be blockchain. On number 1, we have AI and machine learning. Artificial intelligence refers to a computer system's ability to mimic human cognitive functions, such as learning and problem solving. Through AI, a computer system uses math and logic to simulate the reasoning that humans use to learn from new information and make decisions. Do you know machine learning is an AI application? Well, it is the process of using mathematical data models to assist a computer in learning without direct instructions. This allows the computer system to learn and improve on its own based on past experiences. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are inextricably linked. Because of this connection, when you compare AI with machine learning, you're really comparing their interconnection. AI is used by intelligent computers to think like humans and perform tasks on their own. Machine learning is a process by which a computer system gains intelligence. This year, AI and machine learning will continue to emerge as the most transformative technologies of our time. Are you going on a business trip tomorrow? Your intelligence device will provide the weather reports and travel alerts automatically. Are you planning on a marketing campaign? Your AI assistant can intuitively divide your customers into groups for targeted messaging and high response rates. According to the IHS report, the install rates for the AI-based systems in new vehicles was only 8% in 2015, but this figure is expected to rise up to 109% by 2025. Google, Facebook, IBM, and any other tech giants you can think of are putting artificial intelligence at the forefront of everything. This technology has a bright future, and there is a critical shortage of skill sets in these areas. The average annual salary for AI engineer is more than £56,000. So let's move on to our next technology, cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of guarding against digital attacks on systems, networks, and programs. These cyber attacks are typically intended to gain access to change or destroy sensitive information, extort money from the users, or disrupt normal business processes. The global crime is increasing at an even faster rate in the fast-growing tech world. Where there's a new tech trend every now and then, according to a McAfee report, the global cybercrime losses have surpassed over $1 trillion. Following the COVID pandemic, the world shifted to a remote way of working. It has significantly increased the possibility of cyber threats because people now have access to the company infrastructure without much room for data or network security. As a result, in this age of digitalization, cybersecurity has become one of the most important aspects for businesses operating online in order to combat the wide range of cyber criminals. Cybersecurity may not appear to be a new technology, but it is evolving in the same way other technologies are. This is due in part to the fact that the cyber threats are constantly evolving. Malevolent hackers who are attempting to illegally access data are not going away anytime soon, and they will continue to find a way to circumvent even the most stringent security measures. It's also because a new technology is being used to improve the security. As long as there are hackers, cybersecurity will be a popular technology because it will constantly evolve to combat them. The threat is urgent and the stakes are extremely high, and there are insufficient highly educated and qualified cybersecurity experts to meet the demand. You will be surprised to know that by 2025, 60% of the organizations will use cybersecurity risk as a primary determinant in conducting third-party transactions and business engagements. That is why the companies pay well-trained cybersecurity professionals, and why learning and upskilling in cybersecurity may be the best investment you can make today. The typical salary for a cybersecurity specialist is between £50,000 and £80,000 per year. Deloitte, PayPal, AT&T, IBM, Oracle, and Apple are among the other well-known companies with cybersecurity job openings. Moving on, let's talk about business analytics. Business analytics is a subset of business intelligence and data management solution that focuses on analyzing data, turning it into information, spotting trends, predicting the outcomes, and ultimately making better data-driven business decisions. Technology is now pervasive in society. Cell phones, sensors, retail scanners, and the internet generate massive amounts of data that have the potential to be valuable to businesses. We truly live in the age of data, but the information available is only valuable if it can be converted into insights. Business analysts must determine what is technically and financially feasible for a company. Business analysts are in high demand among the businesses and corporations. Furthermore, many businesses are willing to pay well for highly trained analysts. Opportunities for business analysts have exploded across all industries as major organizations have adopted data-driven and technology-focused approaches. Because all types of organizations are now harnessing the power of big data, several industries require business analytics professionals, including healthcare, marketing, logistics, e-commerce, finance, food services and restaurants, entertainment, professional sports, and even casinos. The companies have recognized that innovative thinkers are in high demand. A career in business analytics will place you in an exciting, fast-paced environment where you will be working with the leaders of your organizations from the start. The business analytics career is challenging, rewarding because it encourages you to think big. A business analyst's typical annual salary for new hirees is about £52,500. At this level, you must be well versed in fundamental business framework, procedures, and technology. Accenture, Cognizant Technology Solutions, Deloitte, IBM, Wipro, Capgemini, and Amazon are among the top companies that hire business analysts. Further, let's take an insight into DevOps. DevOps is a set of cultural philosophies, practices, and tools that improves an organization's ability to deliver applications and services at high velocity, evolving and improving products at a faster rate than traditional software development and infrastructure management processes. DevOps, in its most basic form, is a collaboration between development and operation teams. There are significant changes in the DevOps ecosystem that set it apart from the other technological advancements. DevOps is an exciting place to be right now, and in the future, thanks to the new practices, technologies, as well as trends. And DevOps is a technology that is consistently demonstrating its importance among a wide range of technologies. Since the conception of DevOps, everyone has understood that it has a unique potential and will change the business development. During the epidemic, DevOps has emerged as a critical development methodology. Amazon, Netflix, Target, Meta, Etsy, and Adobe are among the top companies on the lookout for DevOps engineers. According to the survey, the DevOps market will grow at a CAGR of about 24.7% from 2019 to 2026. It is self-evident that DevOps' contribution to digital transformation will result in a radical transformation across numerous industries. The average salary for a DevOps engineer ranges a low of about £47,000 to a high of about £179,000 annually, with a median salary of about £104,000. The next one in line is automated project management. The assignments of repetitive or mundane tasks to machines or software is referred to as automation. Because machines can complete tasks with little to no human assistance, delegating them frees up a project manager's time for other important tasks. While you can probably imagine how automation works in a manufacturing or industrial context, it can be more difficult to understand how it applies to your specific client-based businesses. The goal of the automated project management is to eliminate time-consuming administrative tasks. For example, instead of using email, keep in touch with your team using automatically triggered notifications. It may also entail collecting a mountain of customer engagement data with reporting software in order to identify patterns in your most recent social media campaign. Project management automation can be used at any stage of a project to increase efficiency, reduce the risk of burnout, and eliminate repetitive tasks. Any project typically has 4 phases: planning, execution, monitoring, and closure. Certain tasks and processes in each area can be automated to save project manager time and effort. Throughout the organization, project management strives to deliver the best possible scenarios. Project management software is one method for achieving this goal. RPA, or robotic process automation, combines AI, natural language processing, and machine learning to provide a solid solution to day-to-day project management issues. Teams, workflows, and business processes are all impacted by robotic process automation. It automates manual, repeatable tasks, completing them quickly, accurately, and predictably. For example, managers can use software bots to set up the workflows and project management tasks with a single click for routine projects such as onboarding clients or employees. Whether your company is large enough to have a PMO or small enough that CEO is a sole proprietor, automation software can help you streamline your business processes for better results. There are 2 types of project management softwares designed to help you manage your work more efficiently. Let's talk about the first one, that is integrated project management software. In this, collaborative project management software is ideal for large groups that require low-tech solution for their project. It enables all team members to easily access, view, and collaborate on project tasks. While it works for smaller teams, it may be insufficient for large teams working on multiple projects at the same time. Team productivity can suffer if members are unable to collect and link data from various projects. And the second one is personal project management software. Individual project software is ideal for one person who requires lightweight, web-based software to manage their projects. It has fewer features than more comprehensive project management solutions, but it is also suitable for project portfolio management. This is a good place to start if you need a trial or only a basic project management solution. Let's move on to the next technology: cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the on-demand availability of computing resources as internet-based services. It eliminates the needs for businesses to procure, configure, or manage their own resources, and they only pay for what they use. Cloud computing has grown at one of the fastest rates of any technology over the last 10 years. This technology is widely used on a daily basis by both businesses and individuals. This has resulted in creation of a large number of new jobs in the industry, with a wide range of job roles available. A cloud engineer is one of the most well-paid positions in any organization. Using cloud services is no longer optional at this point. To stay competitive, organizations must embrace the cloud and commit to modernizing their IT. Cloud is being used by healthcare companies to develop more personalized treatments for patients. Cloud is being used by financial service firms to power real-time fraud detection and prevention. In addition, even video game developers are utilizing the cloud to deliver online games to millions of players worldwide. General Electric, Apple, Netflix, Google, and eBay are all looking for cloud professionals. Cloud architect earn ranging from about $45,000 to a whopping £214,000, depending on their job role and expertise. So we would suggest you to keep up with the latest cloud computing trends. Up next, we have IT service management. IT service management, or ITSM, prioritizes customer needs and IT services for customers over the IT systems. ITSM emphasizes continuous improvement. The central concept of ITSM is delivery of IT as a service. This goes beyond standard IT support. ITSM, on the other hand, is more inclusive. It describes the processes and tools that information technology teams use to manage the IT service from start to finish. And it covers all the information technologies within an organization. The ITSM ensures that an IT team's goals are aligned with the broader business objectives and that their actions support the overall mission. ITSM is a strategic approach to the IT management that focuses on customer value. The ITSM clearly states or defines each individual's department's roles and responsibilities in terms of IT services. It enables higher productivity, lower costs, and higher user satisfaction. ITSM is a framework that is used by many organizations all over the world. This also means that skilled and certified professionals are in high demand. The ITSM software enables IT teams to align with the business needs and approach organizational change, transformation, and growth strategically. There are numerous ITSM software tools in the market, ranging from standalone applications to platform services. Because the service desk is the foundation of ITSM, selecting the right service desk software for your organization is critical. The service desk team acts as a liaison between the customers and the IT team. A service desk is defined in ITIL as the single point of contact between the service provider and the users. A typical service desk manages incidents and service requests, as well as user communication. The service desk should also be involved in the management of other ITSM processes. According to the pay scale, the highest average salary for an ITIL expert certified professional is about £97,000. The globally recognized IDLE certifications will serve as a springboard for you to advance in your career and reach new heights. Up next, we will discuss the most interesting tech among the most, UI/UX design. User-friendly interfaces are critical for digital products aimed at the general public. User interface design refers to the look and the feel of an app's or website's user interface. It is critical to consider the aesthetics of digital iconography, such as how they're displayed on a website and their relationships. Fonts, colors, graphics, buttons, and menus are examples of interface design elements. UX designs, also known as user experience design, is the process by which design teams create products that meet a company's brand promise while providing meaningful user experiences for customers. The UI and UX designers take a human-centered approach. A UI designer's primary responsibility is to ensure that the user interface design is both beautiful and intuitive so that a person can quickly navigate around them without having to think too hard about what they're doing. Customer perceptions of a brand are influenced by user interface design, or the UI. So the goal of the UI/UX design is to create a positive user experience that encourages customers to remain loyal to a brand or a product. While the UX designer determines how the user interface functions, the UI designer determines how the user interface appears. Up next, we have data science. It's no surprise that data science has made this list of trending technologies. The rapid growth of data has made data science as an appealing career option. Data scientists collect data, clean it, and then create models and algorithms to uncover patterns in data. Data science is the study of vast amounts of data using modern tools and techniques to discover previously unseen patterns, derive meaningful information, and make business decisions. To create predictive models, data scientists employ complex machine learning algorithms. Data science is one of the most popular technologies in the 21st century. It extracts important information from data using advanced analytics methods and scientific principles for cooperative decisions, strategic planning, and other purposes. Data science employs sophisticated machine learning algorithms to create predictive models. It makes use of a variety of statistical techniques. Machine learning modeling, statistical operations, data transformations, and data modeling are examples of these methods. The average data scientist salary is about £55,000 per year, depending on the experience, employer, and location. As a result, it is one of the top 10 technologies to learn in the year 2023. Companies such as Microsoft, Amazon, EY, PwC, JP Morgan Chase & Co. are hiring data scientists all over the world. And on to the number 10, we have blockchain technology. Although most people associate blockchain technology with a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, blockchain technology provides security that is useful in a variety of other ways. Blockchain is the data that you can only add to, not subtract from or change. Because you're creating data chain, the term chain was coined. The inability to change previous blocks is what makes it so secure. Furthermore, because blockchains are consensus-driven, no single entity can gain control of the data. Blockchain eliminates the need for trusted third party to oversee or validate transactions. A blockchain is a distributed database or ledger that is shared among other computer network nodes. A blockchain-like database stores information electronically in a digital format. Blockchains are best known for their critical role in cryptocurrency systems like Bitcoin, where they keep a secure and decentralized record of transactions. The blockchain's innovation is that it ensures the fidelity and security of a data record and generates trust without the need for trusted third party. Several industries are incorporating and implementing blockchain technology, And as the use of blockchain technology grows, so does the demand for skilled professionals. A blockchain developer specializes in developing and implementing architecture and solutions based on blockchain technology. If you are interested in blockchain and its application and want to pursue a career in this technology, now is the time to begin. You must have hands-on experience with programming languages, fundamentals of OOPS, flat and relational databases, data structures, web development, and networking before enrolling in a blockchain training course. Blocks on Bitcoin's blockchain stores data about monetary transactions. There are currently over 10,000 other cryptocurrency systems running on blockchain. However, it has been so discovered that the blockchain is also a reliable method for storing data about other types of transactions. Salaries of the candidates in this role range from a low of about £59,000 to a high of about a whopping £131,000 with a median salary of about £95,000 annually. Walmart, Pfizer, Unilever, AIG, Siemens, and a slew of other companies have already adopted blockchain. For example, IBM has already developed a food trust blockchain to track the path that food products take to reach their destination. Although the technologies are constantly emerging and evolving around us, these technology trends offer promising career opportunities now and in the near future. Because the majority of these trending technologies are looking for skilled professionals, the time has come for you to pick one, get trained, and jump on board at this early stage of these trending technologies, positioning yourself for success now and in the future. That concludes our look at the top 10 technologies to learn in 2023. We hope you found this video useful. You can also learn about the top 10 certifications for 2023 to help you decide what career path you're gonna take, as well as our top 10 highest paying jobs in 2023 on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.